starting our coverage with the friction that is being witnessed between friends turned enemies, AIMIM and TRS, and that's increased ahead of the Hyderabad civic polls after AIMIM MLA Mumtaz Khan, now junior OAC, has mocked the TRS government. Addressing a public meeting, the AIMIM MLA and party floor leader in Assembly, Akbaruddin OAC, claimed that the TRS has double standards. Akbaruddin said that the TRS first supported the BJP in Parliament, but now wants to become the BJP's opponent ahead of the civic polls. Yesterday, AIMIM MLA Mumtaz Khan threatened, saying that if they want, they can pull down the KCR government in 2 months' time. Amidst BJP's attack on its association with the AIMIM, TRS had last week snapped friendly ties with OAC's party. KCR had decided to contest all the 150 seats of the upcoming Hyderabad civic polls on their own. AIMIM chief and MP Asaduddin Owaisi has responded, saying that they never asked the TRS for an alliance and can win any political platform. TRS and AIMIM have never officially been in an alliance, but they are known to share a friendly relationship for many years, since Telangana was formed in the year 2014. The Bharatiya Janata Party, after its win in Dubakka by-poll this month, which is the TRS bastion, now looks to unseat the TRS from the December municipal polls.
हर मामले में ताईद, इसमें बीजेपी की ताईद, उसमें बीजेपी की ताईद, नोटबंदी में बीजेपी की ताईद, जीएसटी में बीजेपी की ताईद, हम तो मुखालफत करते रहे और आज क्या बोल रहे हैं? हमसे ज्यादा बीजेपी के मुखालिफिन बने पड़े।
अगर मजलिस अगर चाही तो न सिर्फ बल्दी इंतखाबात के अंदर बल्कि अगर टीआरएस को इख्तिदार से भी अगर बेदखल करना पड़ा तो इंशाअल्लाह ताला मजलिस जिस दिन सोचेंगी इंशाअल्लाह 2 महीने के अंदर टीआरएस पार्टी इख्तिदार से भी बेदखल हो सकती है।
पहली बात मैं आपको साफ साफ कहना चाहता हूं शाहनवाज साहब, हम 150 सीट में लड़ेंगे और मैं ये तो जरूर मानूंगा। और इस बार पिछली बार जो है बल्दिया में हमने 5 सीट जीता था ओल्ड सिटी से, मैं इस बार पक्का दावे के साथ कह सकता हूं 10 से 12 सीट जीतेंगे और वहां हराएंगे मजलिस को। मैं ये भी बोल रहा हूं, हमारी कोई किसी के साथ ऐसी दोस्ती नहीं है।
टीआरएस भी बोल दिए कि हमारा इनसे अलायंस नहीं है। अरे आपके पास कौन गया था भाई? आपको ना हमारे को भी नहीं होना, जाओ लड़ो, हम भी लड़ते तुम्हारे से। वो गया जमाना, डराना गया जमाना, भूल जाओ आप। हमारे से नहीं है, जाओ देंगे ठेंगा कट्टी जाओ, देखेंगे क्या होता है। सियासत है, आपको नहीं होना, हमारे को भी नहीं होना। हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? हमारे को क्या करना है? हमारे में मजलिस में अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इतनी ताकत है कि सियासी जो प्लेटफॉर्म बनाते ना उसको हिला कर रख देते हम।
Ashish is now joining us live for the very latest on this controversy that has broken out in Hyderabad ahead of the municipal polls right there. He's also being joined by Kishan Reddy, who is the Minister of Home Affairs of India. I'm going to throw straight across to him. Take it away, Ashish.
So yes, it's a high decibel campaign in Hyderabad, Chaiti, and just now Karnataka MP and Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha President Tejaswi Surya has arrived. MOS Home Kishan Reddy, who happens to be the Member of Parliament from Secunderabad constituency of Hyderabad, where we are standing, he is also participating in a poll campaign for his party candidates in Hyderabad. On the very other hand, we are witnessing a high decibel campaign from TRS, high decibel campaign, an all-out campaign from MIM, Hyderabad's MP Asaduddin Owaisi's party MIM. So all these 3 major parties, apart from Congress is also in poll fray. They all are targeting each other. But interesting fight is which has developed in the past 24 hours is a verbal fight between TRS and its friendly party MIM. TRS has clearly declared that they are going to contest this election, and they are contesting this election on 150 seats. They are fighting this election alone, the municipal election alone. On the very other hand, MIM, which has declared almost 50 plus candidates so far, they have also announced that they will contest election against TRS. So it's till now TRS and MIM they've been known for their friendly alliance and friendly posturing. Now they are contesting, they are targeting each other. Yesterday, we reported that how MIM party MLA, Charminar MLA, he even said that they have the capability, and if they want, they can pull down KCR government within 2 months' time. Yesterday night, both Akbaruddin Owaisi, who is MLA from Chandrayan Gutta constituency, as well as Hyderabad MP Asaduddin Owaisi, both again targeted TRS party, and they clearly said that if TRS doesn't want any kind of alliance, they never went ahead and they never tried weaving any alliance with TRS. And yes, it's politics, and like MIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi has said that they have the power to shake any political party or political platform here in Hyderabad. Hyderabad being known as the bastion or stronghold of MIM, and that's why MIM is targeting now the ruling party. On the very other hand, BJP is targeting both MIM and TRS, alleging that they are in a friendly alliance, they are fighting election, it's a friendly fight between these two parties. So clearly it's an interesting time, interesting political campaign, but for sure this municipal election, the way BJP has put its top leaders, central leaders and star campaigners like Tejasvi Surya, Smriti Irani is going to campaign for the party, Gautam Gambhir going to campaign for party in Hyderabad, this municipal election has become quite interesting, Chaiti.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.